Today, I'm going to be talking about the monthly fee for YNAB. This is a question that I get asked a lot, so I thought it would be a good idea to do a video on it. Before I get into the details, I want to take a moment to talk about what YNAB is. YNAB is a budgeting tool that helps you track your income and expenses and stay on track with your financial goals. It's a great tool for people who want to get their finances under control and save money. So, what is the monthly fee for YNAB? The answer is $11.99 per month. This may seem like a lot of money, but it's important to remember that YNAB is a powerful tool that can help you save a lot of money in the long run. In addition to the monthly fee, there is also a one-time setup fee of $19.99. This fee covers the cost of creating your account and setting up your budget. Is YNAB worth the money? Whether or not YNAB is worth the money is a personal decision. However, I believe that it is a valuable tool for anyone who wants to get their finances in order. If you're serious about saving money and reaching your financial goals, I highly recommend giving YNAB a try. How to get started with YNAB? If you're interested in learning more about YNAB, I encourage you to check out their website or watch some of their YouTube tutorials. You can also sign up for a free trial to see if YNAB is right for you. Additional tips. You can save money on your YNAB subscription by signing up for an annual plan. You can also get a discount on your YNAB subscription if you refer a friend. YNAB offers a number of resources to help you get started and use the tool effectively. The monthly fee for YNAB is $11.99 per month. This may seem like a lot of money, but it's a valuable tool that can help you save a lot of money in the long run. If you're serious about getting your finances under control, I highly recommend giving YNAB a try. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions about YNAB, please leave a comment below. And be sure to subscribe to my channel for more videos on personal finance. If you're interested in learning more about YNAB, click on the link below to sign up for a free trial. Thanks for watching.